Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my Amazon favorites. I haven't done an Amazon video in forever, but today I'm going to share with you guys some goodies that I absolutely love and wanted to share with you guys today. And I also have an unboxing from Read Your Heart. I have worked with them before and they are working with me today in today's video. Thank you so much for Read Your Heart for collaborating with me today in this video. I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I'm super excited. I love their jewelry, and right now they have a Cyber Week sale going on. Amazing jewelry. I'm telling you guys, you need to check it out, especially if you want to pick up your girlfriend something, your boyfriend something, husband, whatever. If they love jewelry, you need to check out this website because I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. So I absolutely love it, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got. And yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, we're gonna do the little unboxing. I absolutely love them. Like I said, I have worked with them before and I absolutely love their jewelry. Their jewelry is amazing quality for the very good price. So I always love some nice beautiful jewelry on a good price point. Like, that's me. I absolutely love it. And I love the fact that they give you little bags, so if you wanted to gift it, you could definitely do that. And then they give you the details about the jewelry in here. Like, they give you the little paperwork for the jewelry, which is super cute and super good to have. So they give you little details. Look, they show you little details and they give you a card. Like, this is amazing. Like, this jewelry, I'm telling you guys, is an absolute must that you need to pick it up. Especially the sale they got going on is amazing. So the first jewelry I want to show you guys is this ring right here. Look at how beautiful this ring is. Like, when I saw it and I opened it, guys, this ring is amazing. It's so beautiful. It's very soft, not too like boom in your face a type of ring. This is amazing. Like, I absolutely love it. It's so simple. Like, my hands are very, like, they're very skinny, like, but putting the ring on it gives it a little pop. Like, I absolutely love it. Absolutely love. And it comes in the little box, and they do give you the little baggie to put it in. And then if you want to gift it, you just put it in here, and then they give you a little bag, which is amazing. So I absolutely love that. And then the next thing they gave me were these beautiful heart earrings. Guys, these earrings are amazing. Like, I cannot wait to switch out my earrings to these beautiful heart earrings. Like, look at these beautiful little dainty earrings. Hopefully it focus so you guys could see it. Like, look at how pretty. Look how beautiful is that. Like, it's so shiny, it's very dainty, and I do have a second hole that I'm going to be putting it in, like this. I'm telling you guys, amazing how beautiful and amazing the quality of the jewelry is. Like, it's so nice. And then the last thing that I got was this beautiful heart necklace. Like, look at that necklace. It's so beautiful. It's very dainty, very simple. I love very simple dainty jewelry. This amazing. Like, you definitely want to check out their website, especially now for the holidays. They have a huge sale going on, and thank you Read Your Heart for collaborating with me today in today's video. Definitely check out the website. I will leave everything a link down below, especially the jewelry that I picked up. I'm going to be linking it down below so you guys can go straight to the link if you want any of the jewelry pieces that I picked up. I will leave the links down below. But yes, let's go ahead and jump in to my Amazon favorite. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys are some goodies for the phone. You guys know I absolutely love phone cases from Amazon, and I got this one right here for the 15 Pro Max, and it has a little hearts on it. Look how cute these are. Super cute. I love it. It's very simple, very classy, not too much going on the case. I absolutely love it. But not only the case, guys, look at the little bubble thing. That this is so cool because you could stick this to any flat surface. So I could stick it straight to my mirror and it's gonna just stick there and it's not gonna move, which is amazing. And I did buy it in a pack. So these came in a pack of different colors. Super cute. Like, look at how these, like, I have black, it came in green, pink, a very fuchsia pink, and then a light blue. Like these are amazing for the phones. If you guys have not tried that, if you have done like content or you do like TikTok, Instagram, anything like that, these are amazing for that, because I'm telling you guys, you just stick it to the mirror and boom, you could just hold it there, film your video, and you're good to go. Like these are amazing, definitely worth the money. And then next I wanted to share with you guys a little traveling thing, like a little traveling case for your little puff. Like my sister showed me this and I was like, oh my god, that is such a good idea, because usually I take my puff and I just throw it in my makeup bag and there you go. Like I just don't even care for it. But she showed me this case and I thought this was so cute, and it comes like this, and it comes 2 in a pack, and then you just throw your little puff in there and you just keep it away from all your makeup, from getting it dirty, you know, bacteria, stuff like that. So this is such a great idea of doing a little case for your little puff. Like this is so cute. I absolutely love it. Are some watch bands. I love to switch out my watch bands a lot, and I saw this variety case. It came with it came with 3 colors. It came with black, the pink, and the white. These are amazing if you like to switch out your band for your Apple Watch. These are so good. Very inexpensive. I think it was about $9 for 3 of these. These are very good, very convenient. Like I said, if you like to switch it up, you could definitely do that. Then the next thing I want to share with you guys are these nipple covers. Like, you know, these kind of shirts that have the opening in the back and then you cannot wear a bra, but then again you want to cover the, you know, the nipple area and you don't want that showing. These are amazing, guys. These are amazing. They stick very well. There's always issues with little stickies like this because they usually just come off the skin, but no, these are amazing. Like you could reuse them 20 times and they're still gonna be sticky. Like that's how good these are. These are amazing. If you're looking for some good stickies, these are the ones. I will definitely have them linked in my Amazon storefront so you guys can check this out. And then the next thing I wanted to share with you guys are some lashes. I absolutely love doing my lashes at home. It's a must. It's something that helps me like wind down, something very therapeutic for me. I just sit down, do my lashes, listen to music. Like that is just the thing, and I absolutely love these. I love this one. This one has the glue, it has the bond, the remover, and it comes in a pack. This is amazing for $12. You can't beat it. Like amazing price for those. And I also like this one. This is from Lash View. These are the Flutter Frenzies. Amazing quality. The lashes are very soft, they're not very stiff. Like I have bought so many lash extensions and they have been ones that are very stiff or they're irritating my eye because they're poking my eye so much. So these are amazing. Like both of these brands are a must if you do lashes at home. These are a go-to. You definitely want to check them out. And then the next thing I want to share with you guys is the shirt that I have on. This is the QQ bodysuit. It comes in a 2-pack. They're the bodysuits that I wanted to share with you guys. This is like the best find on Amazon. This is the QQ brand on Amazon. That their bodysuits are amazing. This is not the first time I bought bodysuits from them. I have bought at least 3 to 4 pairs of bodysuits from them because they're so comfortable. They do not suffocate, and look, they just help snatch the body. Like they just snatch your belly, they keep the belly down. Like they just suck it all in. And I absolutely love the fact that you have this zipper that you could go up and down. You could lower it, you could put it all the way up to your neck. Like you could do so much with it. And it came in 2 colors. So I got the black and then I also got the brown. Now for, you know, fall and winter, I felt like brown and black were 2 colors that are. And then the last Amazon favorites that I wanted to share with you guys is this book right here. I absolutely love this author, the Colleen Hoover. She has amazing books. I'm actually reading another one from her. I'm telling you guys, if you have not read her books, you need to. They're very addicting. Like once you start reading, you want to keep reading and reading and reading. And I'm not a very good like read person, like I don't like to sit down and read books, but these books are amazing. They're very good topics and I love that. It's just very good and very interesting. If you like to read books, read this one, because I'm telling you guys, this book is it. You need it in your life just to enjoy a good read. But that is it for my Amazon favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I promise that I will be uploading more videos here on YouTube. I know I fell back from YouTube. I've been on TikTok, but I'm gonna slowly come back over here, guys. I'm slowly coming back, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.